would you like some coffee, Donnie, before
yes,
I leave?
You cute little thing. Give me some coffee and some other stuff too.
Yeah, I'll give you a kiss goodbye.
Okay. Kiss, kiss.
Well, I tell you, in the house this morning, we can hear all the birds chirping out here. It's not raining now, but it is supposed to rain later today. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Michelle gets to go shopping today. Yay! About 8 deer going up into the woods over there. I came around the curve and let's just say we startled each other. Normally when Don goes out to get the paper, which he did on the unicycle, if there's anybody out here, he's providing the service of scaring them away. But I guess this morning there was 30 minutes in between and they wandered onto the driveway area. Did I say it was gray out this morning? Yep, it's gray out this morning. And there's a lot of traffic here at the light into downtown. So we could have a thunderstorm here today, but I'm not anticipating the weather impacting me and Michelle on our shopping trip. I'll make full use of the fact that I have the van and not Ruby and park a little closer, especially if it's raining. It's going to be really mild with highs in the 60s. I'm in short sleeves again. This has just been, you know, for the most part, we've had like 3 actual days of winter here this year, maybe 4, and that's all we've had. It is primary day here in North Carolina, but of course Don and I already voted, so I don't need to go near the polls today. Last night on the news they reported that the voting board was really besieged with phone calls about I early voted, can I change my vote because my candidate's not in the race anymore? And the answer of course is no. So yeah, I don't know. Early voting seems like a good thing, I guess, except for maybe when people drop out right before the election, before the primary date. So what can you do? But definitely hoping that folks will get out there and vote today. I saw one comment that says, please no bad weather today because we don't want people to stay home because of the weather. So I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue, but as always, I'll keep my eye on the sky today. I need 3 storage bins for Legos for robots. Since I rearranged stuff, I need a few more bins. I forgot them yesterday. I know, I'm back at Walmart again. Look what I found at the Fuquay Walmart this morning. The card is damaged, like somebody tried to open it. But we were probably going to open one for our new shelf unit, so that makes it easy not to stress about opening it when it's already damaged like that. You get to open it.
That's right.
It looks tampered with to me. Yeah. Somebody's kid played with it, but they didn't buy it, or
it's fine.
Somebody doesn't like Tesla and they took it apart so it wouldn't be a collectible anymore, or
yeah, well,
somebody was going to steal it and then...
Yeah, who knows?
Who knows? But I've seen the cards come apart from the factory, and it's a lot smoother where there like wasn't any glue. Well, we were probably going to open one, so this just gave us all of the more ammunition to go ahead and do that. Does it open at the back or anything?
No,
probably not.
It does not seem to be.
Well, it's way cool.
If it would open, it's probably with the thickness of the plastic, it's just a scooch too narrow. So the card would have to go in there like vertically. Well, that's,
we won't be
even
doing
too narrow that way. So yeah, no, it doesn't open, and it's too, you know, somehow this is supposed to be 1/64. I don't think this is 1/64.
I agree.
That's all right.
I've got double-decker nappers. I'm not going to disturb him. I am headed to meet Michelle. We are going shopping. That is all I am going to think about for the next few hours. I'm not going to think about other stuff. There she is. Hello.
Wow, you got the blue blazer blazer.
Yeah, I got blue today. I don't want to talk about it. Well, it does have good times with the kids, and if we were hauling them someplace today for fun, that would be different. But yeah.
What's going on?
Most likely the computer behind Ruby's big screen has gone out, and a computer board needs to be replaced. That's the simple, yeah.
Aww.
Totally fixable. Just waiting.
Yep, that's the whole thing. Just the wait.
All right, Johnny, you're in luck. Hopefully a couple of these meet with your approval.
Oh, it's so cute.
Now.
Oh, look, it's Kermie and Miss Piggy.
Oh, it says love is so worth the lead.
Oh.
Say it again.
Come on, let's go.
She doesn't want me to look at knickknacks. She wants me to look at jewelry. Good morning, Jeff.
Oh, bye.
Now there's a real piece of vintage Americana, the Partridge Family. It's not Chula, but it's in the Chula sort of, it's very cute.
So pretty.
Very cute. If not you, Ariel. All right, Michelle, here you go.
Oh.
They just brought these out, and it's just what I need to get in the mood to do my St. Patrick's Day tablescape. Well, it was a good time to be in here for St. Patrick's Day flags because they just brought out this whole new rack too. All right, they still have a ton of jackets. And why do they still have a ton of jackets? Because we haven't had any cold weather this year. I know there's somebody at your house that needs this shirt. It's time to put you on the spot. Have you used your Instant Pot?
Not yet.
Did
But
Sean
I've been
try
busy.
it? Did Sean try
No,
it?
he's waiting for me to do it.
Am I gonna have to come over again?
Yeah.
I can't open it. Just get in already.
Gosh, this is gonna be a long day, woman.
Well, but if it rains, we could park closer.
Oh yeah, but Ruby could pick us up.
That's right. We could summon Ruby on over. We need to test that in the rain. Especially on the latest software release, which I never got to test.
The awful bad week.
I have a just because present.
Oh.
Smell.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that bar soap and your little soap thing. So this is supposed to be so it doesn't sit in water and dries out better.
Oh, that's what I'm going to use for my shower too. Oh gosh, that smells so good. And what's this?
That's the one you'll really like. What could it be?
What could it be? An ear climber.
An ear climber.
Oh!
They only had one.
That's all I
It's from a
need.
couple weeks ago, and I knew you would want it.
Oh gosh, yes.
So hold it up. I don't remember if it was 14 karat or 10 karat, but
It doesn't matter. It's beautiful. It's gold and it's beautiful.
cool.
Yay!
Happy Just Because Day.
Thank you for making my day better.
Yeah, you got it, girl. I told Michelle I'm being good today, so it was either steak or fish, and she loves Red Lobster, so we're back at the Cary Red Lobster. And it has started to rain, so I parked close.
Not really that close.
It was pretty close.
I think you still think we're in Ruby. I do. We could have done a little closer.
Michelle got the Lobster Lover's Feast, and I got a wood grilled combination, but also got some lobster. We're gonna be busy here for a while. She had to have the Irish mudslide.
And the little gold flakes on the top.
Oh wow, pot of gold.
Yeah.
Exactly. Serious. Michelle and I want you to know that we will not be deterred from our additional shopping rounds due to this wet weather. But also, we did not order this weather for shopping day. We did not. We ran into GA Apex. It was still raining pretty heavy out there, and we're just looking. Oh wow, look at that. It's a little R2-D2 suitcase. I love it. So they have these two huge bins, and they are huge, and they weigh a lot of Lego pieces. But Donnie, you can rest and relief that there are no Mindstorms robotic looking pieces in there, so I don't have to have it. Wow, if I had any place to put that, that would be so mine.
Yeah, like the
The lion. It said it's a Tigerwood curio, as is $300, valued at $6,000.
Wow, 6,000.
It's definitely vintage though, you know?
Beautiful.
That's beautiful.
I'm gonna get the chocolate. Look at the bunny rabbit. The chocolate cupcake.
I love the bunny rabbit. Oh, and the turtle. He's so cute. They have skulls today.
Yes. And the purple, the flowery one. Yes.
Well, I didn't do a lot of filming in Whole Foods because we're basically out of time to get back to Fuquay so Michelle can pick up Connor. Also, we got a little distracted because the news hit that the first coronavirus case has been confirmed in Wake County, North Carolina, which is where we are. It's a person that traveled to Washington State and was in the elder care facility where the other people are known to be sick. So that's all the information they gave us, and that's disappointing to hear, I guess. Well, we ended up rerouting and coming over to the school to pick up Connor. He was in the Y after school program, and we forgot that it was it was primary voting was at the school gym this afternoon. So it's quite the traffic jam over here by the school with people coming to vote this evening. Well, we're being treated to an absolutely fantastic sunset tonight. I mean, it's just amazing out there. I told Michelle I love to be on the highway during a really pretty sunrise or sunset. And this one is certainly meeting that criteria. We're just coming back into Fuquay. I'm taking Michelle back to her car before I head to the house. Wow, though. Until next week.
There's my shopping girl.
Hey, Donnie.
Hey, sweet thing.
We needed to go grab Connor.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just a smidge later than I would have been if we hadn't done that. But then we didn't have to worry about Michelle being late. And yeah, it was just the right thing to do.
Made it more flexible.
And I got to see the sunset.
Way cool.